What are you doing? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of what's going on my face, I'm going for a pinky look. Coinkadinkly at the pink sweater, but like I'm going for a pink look. And I've already got my foundation on. I just went with like the closest one I had that was in my shade. My CoverGirl. This is a clean matte baby cream for oily skin, which I have, and it's in the shade 350 light medium, because that was a light and now I'm a medium, like a light medium light in the medium category. Yeah, you know what I mean. But anywho, I cleaned up my desk. Yay for me. And then I filled it with all of these eyeshadow palettes. You can't see this, thank goodness you can't see this. All these eyeshadow palettes, and I want to go for a pinky look. So I grabbed like, okay, there's like piles and piles more, but I grabbed all these and I'm like, you gotta have a good pinky shade. Because at first I was like, let's go for my OG, my tried and true Sweet Talk by Colourpop, right? The #1, the palette that started it all. And we have some good colors in here. We do. Honest to God. Cute. But I'm like, can I really just keep going back to this palette? Like, there's got to be others. But I'm happy to keep going back there. And then I saw this one, the Barbie one, and I was like, also by Colourpop. Probably like, I was gonna say half, more than half. 2/3 of these palettes are Colourpop. They're really good at what they do, and they're not super expensive. But anywho, I'm torn between the two. I want to do both, but like, I want to do Sweet Talk, but Barbie looks kind of cute. So I might come in with Barbie and just do a cutie patootie little pinky look. I'm not sure because I really like Boardwalk. Let's Go Party is kind of up there. Vintage Doll, yes. But then like Best Coast, I was like, that's hard pink. I want to go for like a softer pink. I don't know. Same thing. Scoot. With Sweet Talk. Actually, I'm not just coming to do Sweet Talk. All that chatting, I could just go ahead and cut out of here. But I think I'm going to come in with Sweet Talk, actually. All that chit-chatting, and we're just coming into Sweet Talk. You can 130% come in with an eyeshadow primer, which is what I'm going to do right now. I normally have my Urban Decay one. Oh, I didn't know I had the Milani one. I wanted to try this one from Samuel Eye Primer. The same. Where did I get this? Don't remember. But then the Milani one. I want to try the Milani one. See how this goes. It's not opened yet. Is it opened yet? Have I used you before? I want to see how this goes. Just a smidge on the finger. That's a whole lot. Maybe I can use that for both eyes. Ooh. Ooh, that's a lot. Can I have a tissue? Because I'm gonna... There it is. I just like gooped the creamiest amount all over my face. Don't go super heavy. You don't need a ton. Promise you don't need a whole ton. And then I like to take mine up to my eyebrow, because even though it doesn't need to be up there, I like to put it up there, and then I do it on my bottom lash line too. Over here, same thing. Oh, where thick ums, and I bring it out and around. This is kind of clear from, maybe not clear, maybe like a matchy nude color from my skin. I was gonna say taupe, but don't forget that inner corner either. I love to forget my inner corner when I do my eyeshadow looks, and I don't notice until later. Good job, me. So if you're using the Milani eyeshadow primer, you don't need a whole lot. Be warned, you don't need a whole lot. And then I let this sit maybe for like a minute. It doesn't need to sit too long, but grab yourself a little beverage, drinky drink, enjoy yourself. Let for that. let that kind of dry down, because I feel like if I come in with my brushes, I'm just like picking up goo, like the oil, sticking in the pan, caking it everywhere. It's a disaster. And since this palette doesn't have a mirror, I took my handheld mirror and I just stuck it right here. It makes it easier. Well, for me to see, and then for you to also see the palette that I'm using, even though that's really distracting in my viewfinder. Okay. Oh, dang. I'm gonna come in with Dream Maker for like the transition shade. And remember, it's Colourpop, so there is a lot of pigment. That's right. Gently tappa right here in the crease. More so above the crease for me, because I'm going to come in with color down. Well, I'm going to do color all over, so I guess it doesn't necessarily matter. Tappa all over. Same thing, other side. Overly, circly, overly, circly. Ooh. I like that, that's cute. Okay, I do want to come in with a smaller brush. Kind of like flat. It doesn't necessarily need to be flat, but I like it more dense because I'm going to come into a darker shade. Oh, I immediately want to jump over to this one. ICYMI. Yeah? Oh, dang it. I'm trying to keep it like light and cutie, so I'm going to do this one. Meadow. And I'm just going to do real, like I keep calling it my outer eyelid or like the outer V area. Because that's what I'm doing. Just like a little V. Tappa. Same thing. I almost went back in with that one. Same thing over here. Just a little V. You can rub it in if you feel like it. Or tappa. Whatever floats your goat. Because either way, once I have down what I want, like the depth, I'm going to come back and blend it. Just out here though. Nothing too fancy. That is not too bad. I'm just going to drag it in a little bit on the outer part of my lid. Because when I bring the other color in, I want it to meet up, mash up, blend up, okie dokie. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. Yeah, I like that. That is nice, honest to God. Because I want to come in, oh, like I'm looking at this brown one over here, West Side. I should have done that one for a transition. Maybe I'll do like a part 2 of like pinky kind of cutesy look. But I want to come in with Catch Me all over the lid. All over everywhere. And these are all mattes. I don't know if you know this, if you've seen any of my other eyeshadow videos. I love mattes. If I had an additional child, its name would be Matt. Already decided. Yes, my partner thinks that's weird, but I think it's cute and totally defines me. That is nice. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Honest to God, you can just stop right here. This is cutie patootie. I like it. Come over here, blend these guys. Keep moving my eyes around, just making sure it looks good. Any on the bottom lash near the inner corner if I need to, or just want to. You don't need to do any of this. It's if you want to. Do what you want. And then for a sparkle, just that little sparkle on the inner corner, I'm kind of torn. Because at first I was like, the side to side looks really pretty. You can tell I've used that a lot. But then I'm like, Garden Date is perfect. I mean, don't get me wrong. Prima Drama. looks cute, but I think Garden Date's gonna be the one. And I love to do these shimmers with my finger. I just feel like it picks it up so much better. Oh dear. And then we're gonna spread it out because I went way too hard. What did I say at the beginning of this? Colourpop eyeshadows have pigment. Yes. And what did I do? Whatever I wanted to. Yes. Wow. Well, you know, I mean, look at the difference. Crazy. Cute. Crazy. That's okay. She still looks good. I like it. Dang it. Okay, where did that tissue go? Hello. Cool. I did that. I do want to come back in with a... what? No, I'll come back with the same brush. Coming back into Catch Me. Because... get back. There we go. Come in with Catch Me because I feel like I brought in a whole bunch of like goldy pink sparkles here towards the inner corner, and I still want to have that lighter pink come through, you know, just kind of like brighten up the center. There we go. That's not bad. That's not hard. Hello. Okay. And then typically what I'll do, either this brush or another brush, whatever floats your goat. Let me come in with the first one I was using. Did I really only use 2 brushes for this? Not hard. Nothing fancy. Not complicated. I'll come up here and do circular motions just to kind of buff out the edge a bit. Better. Same thing with the outer parts here. Yep, love it. Anything down here, just kind of, I don't know why I'm holding on to this. Smooth it out, soften it up a little bit. Don't have to go crazy. I do want to come in a little bit right here with my finger. Because I feel like I brought down that shimmer where I shouldn't have. That's better. That's way better. Okay. And I know you're like, that doesn't look great. Hold on, let me show you with some mascara. This is the Colourpop Batty Lash Mascara. It's a tubing mascara, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, that's cute. This look is cute. Hello, hi. Oh, let me take this off. Hello, hi. Yes. Yeah. This is nice. I like this. Ugh, but I mean, let me put this over here. Let me put this over here. Let me put this over here. I don't think I've ever made a bad eyeshadow look with any Colourpop palette. And Sweet Talk is my OG, not just Colourpop, but I think my first actual palette, not just those little 3 shadow shades you can get from CoverGirl way back in the day. Sweet Talk, you've been there for me. And come on, look at these colors. Look at this. Look at it. I just fell in love with it and I had to have it. Normally I'm like, I will not pay shipping. If I don't have to pay shipping, I will not. But all I wanted was the Sweet Talk palette. So I paid for the palette. I paid for the shipping. I got it and I just fell in love. Like when you know, you know. You know how like when you go and you do your wedding dress shopping and they're like, when you find the dress, like you'll know. When you find your palette, you'll know. I knew. When you know, you know. You know, you just know. Anywho, I'm rambling. This is my look. Soft pink girly, trying to do more gentle, more soft. These brows are not soft. These brows are not subtle. So if you like take out the brows, the rest, it's okay. It's pretty good. I like it. Soft. And the busted lip. You can't even really see it too much with the color. Don't look for it. It's fine. It's fine. It's just, I gotta take better care of my skin, including my lips during the changing of seasons. But anywho, this is it. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in my next video. You can always go see all of my other Colourpop playlist videos, eyeshadow playlist videos, and I'll pop this in like my Valentine's videos too, because this is very girly, very pink, very soft, very cute for the moment, if you know what I mean. Anywho, bye!